Good morning, class. How are you? Yes, I'm fine. So now we are just going to just understand some new questions, some new topics of statistics. There, we are actually studying arithmetic mean. Here is that arithmetic mean. First of all, what is that mean? We have to understand here. So that mean is the average. It is written here. It is the average of a set of data. We have to understand that only. Okay, don't get confused with mean and median. Okay, mean is the average of data and median is the middle value of the arranged set of data. Okay, so that difference you have to understand only. Okay, then what is arithmetic mean? Here is that definition of arithmetic mean is given here. One time see this here. Arithmetic mean is the commonly known as average, and the average of a given set of number is called the arithmetic mean, or simply mean of the given numbers. Okay, so what is mean? So this is the formula. It is the definition, main definition of the mean. This one, mean is equal to sum of observations divided by number of observations. Okay, now suppose that this x is the symbol of the arithmetic mean, and the number of observations are here, this x1 x2 infinite. It can be infinite, so I have taken n here. See, the last one is n. Then what is the mean? So this is the mean here, sum of all the observations. See here, divided by n. N is the number of observations because last one is n only. Okay, so we can write here that mean as, that is x, this is the symbol of mean, is equal to summation of xi divided by n, where I is equal to, it is equal to 1 and its last limit is n there. Okay, so in this way it can be represented. And what is that symbol is called? This symbol is called sigma here, that sigma. Okay, that means summation. Summation means sum of all the terms there. Okay, so what are the properties that we have to understand of arithmetic mean? This one we have discussed. Now we are study about this. One time you can see the proof of that property number one, this one, that from the each observations, if the mean is subtracted, the value is 0. And here is the proof of this. Okay, you can just see, you can just go in the classroom. I have explained all these things. Okay, no need to get panic here. But those, if you are unable to join that class, so you can see here only. Okay, then sorry, then we have the second property. What is that second property? So second property is saying that the mean of n observation is x bar, and if each observation is increased by p is a non-zero number, the mean of the new observation is x plus p. The mean is x bar plus p. See, here it is written. Clear? Here is the proof of this. Is important only. This one statement is important. Okay, this is the proof of this. You can see. Okay, in classroom I have explained also. So these are the properties of the mean. One more property is there. You can see that this is the property number 3, that the mean of n observations, if it is decreased by p, if it is now decreased by p, then mean is also decreased. That new mean will be x bar minus p. If observation in that given series is decreased by p, then the new mean will be x bar minus p. Okay, next one is like this only. Okay, so here are those properties that we have discussed. Same thing there also. If suppose that if each observation is multiplied by n, that is multiplied by p, then the new mean will be, if each observation is multiplied by p, then new mean will be x bar into p times. Okay, so these all things are there. I made one video, I would like to share with you. Just see that. Okay, here is that video. let me explain this question first. Question is saying that the mean of 150 item was found to be 60, but it was mistaken. It was a wrong value. Why it was a wrong value? Because it was discovered that the value of two items were misread as 52 and 8, but in fact they were 152 and 88. That means this value is wrong here. Then they are asking what is the correct mean. Okay, so let us start this, how we can find it. So here is that solution here of this question. What they have done, they have given us the mean. Okay, they have given us the mean, that is 60 only. Okay, then total number of observations are 150. It is given that mean of 150 item, that means total observation is 150. Clear? Then the mean is given, total observation is given, so we can find the total value of this observation. Obviously we can find, so total value of the 150 observation, of that 150 observation is equal to 150 into 60, that is equal to 9,000. Okay, now what? Now is that the wrong value was also given. In that, wrong values were included. Okay, so what were the wrong values? They were 52 and 8. That should not be taken by us, but we have taken. Here. So what is the correct value? So the correct value is given as 152 and 88 only. Okay, so on that basis we have to make calculations. So let us start these calculations here. Okay, so what are those calculations? Just see only. Okay, what is given? Total value of the observation is given. Okay, so we have to find the correct value of the mean. Okay, so first of all find the correct total value. So 9,000 was the previous one. In that, two values were wrong, so that 2 will be subtracted first of all, because they were wrong only, we didn't need them in the total value. Then what is the correct? So that 2 will come here. What was the correct value? That 2 will just come also here. I would like to show you one thing here. See class, here one thing, that we have removed 52 and 8, but we have at the same time added 152 and 88. So minus is equal to plus, so total number of observations will remain 150 only. Clear? Because 2 has been removed, then 2 has been added also. So on the number of observations we didn't get any change. Okay, so this is the concept of this. Now, so we have to find the total sum of this one. Okay, so this is 9180. Okay, this is the total sum of this after getting the correct value, but number of observations is same only, as I have said, 150 only. So mean value is equal to that 9180. That is the correct, now the correct value of the numbers of the cities here. So now 9180 will be divided by this 150. Very good. In the classroom also we are discussing this also, we don't need to be panic only. So 9180 and this 150 will divide it there, so that will give us the correct mean value, and that is 61.2. So this is how we have learned how to find the values, correct value, when the two wrong values are, or three wrong values, I mean any wrong value has entered there, so even then we can find the correct value. Next class we learn something new. Till then, all of you take care class. Thank you very much.